in my new whip.
Are you guys gonna smile? No. Jax, put your head in. Everybody smile. Smile, Dad.
If you take pictures in a YouTube video, you can't get any subscribers.
I'm taking pictures. Smile.
Alright, hold on.
Okay.
Jordy, you good?
Yep.
Did you started?
Yep.
Good, because Mom is messing up the whole.
I don't got no GPS.
Oh God.
Picture.
You have to talk.
I can get out this way. You gotta get out this way?
No. I don't see where you can get out. Yeah.
No, you're stuck.
I told you.
You did not, bro. No, you did not.
I did not know that. Alright, hold on.
Jesus.
Cheers.
Is that the brewery? That's where the lobster house?
Can we go to the place he said?
What place is that?
I don't even know that.
Flower Waters?
Dog water. Dog water. Who's a dog?
I think that dog is looking his right.
You saw him?
Yeah.
He was so happy. I know. Oh yeah, he said it was but I always have to take the wondering who's there. That's adorable.
Literally what happened. GPS it?
Yeah.
Which one was it?
I don't know where you want to go.
You.
Huh?
More like you.
All you ever. Blue Heaven. It's close?
Look at that pink Jeep.
Harpin, whatever. Harpin.
I like that color.
Harpin here.
That's just what you want.
You were talking about it.
This song. Mom, say hi.
No, don't.
Rolling around. Damn, that's mad close, bro. Like in my eye, dude.
No, just ask your parents to say hi.
Remember, guys, our deal, 30K. Yes, I am.
I'm gonna put a little shrimp on yours too.
Yay! But I also don't want to fall over the railing, so
All over the railings.
Should I leave my purse inside there?
Yeah, why you walking around with a purse?
Yep. Oh, there goes Big Daddy. Yep. What you laughing about?
Casting. Let's see what we got out there. Yeah.
Really windy day, but we're gonna get something.
Very windy. What happened? Oh no, I got caught. Okay, time to go. Okay, so right now we're going to go get some Needohs, like squishies. I'm so excited. So we made it to the store. I'm like so excited. Oh my gosh. Guys, Jackson.
Stay right there.
I am not waiting. Okay, we're right here. We're here. Oh no. Okay. Locked them in right now. Oh no, my god. Oh my god. Wait, is that the?
Oh wait,
That's the
line. Yeah. Wait, okay.
Okay, so I just got back from the store. It was jackpot. So good. So I'm gonna give you guys a haul. I took all of them out the boxes already. But yeah, so this is the Needoh snowball. So good. Love this one. Next, this is the set. The little strawberry Needoh. The orange Needoh. And the banana Needoh. Those are also really good. Next, I got the mellow one, I think it's called. It's super good, so soft. Next, I got the mini fuzz balls. I like these. These are really good. Next, I got this heart Needoh. I think this is the Valentine's edition. Super good. Then we got the bigger one, the bigger Needoh. Super good. So good right now. And then last but not least, the best out of the best, the ice cream Needoh. So good. Gotta say thanks to my dad for buying all these. Thanks, Dad.
You're welcome.
Okay, so we're gonna go to Lazy Days. 19 minutes away. Pretty good. Alright, so we made it to Lazy Days. Oh, I'm gonna get a lobster boil.
They have it?
I think so.
They might have it.
Both of y'all got excited.
I mean, I'm excited for her.
Open the door.
Come on,
Bruh.
dude, use your muscles. Let's go.
Found some lobsters. Okay.
It's always hard because
We got our food. What'd you get?
grouper sandwich.
What'd you get? Jax, what'd you get?
You want ketchup?
Yep, we're gonna enjoy our food. I'll see you guys after. Okay, so right now we're at this beach, and we were gonna go fishing here, but then they said that we can't fish. So yeah, I got this Needoh yesterday. Look at so tea. I was so excited. I got so much more at home. I think my dad's gonna post the haul. So yeah, let's go walk down to the beach. I don't know what's going on in there, but yeah. Okay. I'm hoping that this is low-key not deep because take off my shoe. That almost fell in the water. Yeah, I'm not feeling that. I'm not risking it. Well, I want to feel it, but I need my dad to hold the camera. But yeah, bye guys.